How to change language setting on Invincible. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily change your display language setting in the Invincible game using a mobile device or your tablets. So first thing to do is to open the Invincible game on your device, and once you're inside this campaign tab, go ahead and tap on the level option at the top left corner and it'll open up this expanded menu. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, if you go to the bottom, you'll see the English option, which is shown as English in most of the countries out there. Tap on it and then choose the language you prefer from the list. Once you do that, click on Confirm at the bottom in order to change the language. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language to something else of your preference. Now you can enjoy the game in the language you are most comfortable with. You can always repeat this step in order to change to a different language whenever needed, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.